gamit ng Marlin Court.
Do we have the same charger?
Kuya Rem! Kuya Rem! Come on! Good!
Don't just tap it.
Oh, basag eh. Baka bumalik na.
That's enough, that's enough.
Okay, his turn.
Basag na yan.
Okay, calm down. Okay, hello, calm
Use your
down.
skibbity power.
That's the prize.
Makasatin.
What is that? It's for mom. For the kitchen. Lakas mo anak. Full power. No more. No more. Watch out. Careful.
Buhat kasi ko. Ayun, kalang eh.
Careful ah.
Go, 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 go!
May advantage, nandito tayo sa ano. Ano, Gina!
Ay!
Chocolate! Chocolate!
That's what I thought! How did you do that? Next!
Here you go.
Good job! Okay, I'll take the next
Pwede na yun sa kanila. Yeah, peso.
This is more than a peso.
No, just peso.
Alright, ready? What's the prize? Ariel, dito ka.
This one.
Pagkatapos nito sa kanan, tapos parang set up ko muna.
So something for your kitchen.
Low battery, low bat.
No cheating.
Low bat, Marikoy. Low bat.
Okay, go.
Hoy!
Number!
Number.
Number!
017. Just three.
Last three numbers.
4884
017, last three number. 017.
Sam 016.
Oh, 017.
Oh shit, that's mine. Yes.
We give this number like 10 seconds.
Going
Okay,
once.
do it again.
Going twice.
4884
017, last three.
01.
Kailangan na kay Audrey kasi yung
Kitchen drawer organization set.
What's the number?
4004.
All right, we got it right here.
Woo! Where's the TV? Where is
Ito,
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Draw. One more. Okay. Who has to try? You want to try anyone? One more. Ready? Jonah, try. Jonah.
Galingan mo, Jonah. Eto sa'yo.
Ready?
Huwagan mo na. Mamaya bibigyan.
And 10,
Hey!
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is that your final? Yes. Okay, you win. Almost.
Wanna
trade color?
Sila masan?
I like white.
Dito sila masan?
No, thank you.
Yung bag. Yung basket. The basket.
Class 1.
Oh, what's that? Isa.
You watch.
That's you. Climbing up the stairs.
At that age, imagine that, climbing on this.
He's a climber.
But he doesn't know how to get down. May sinisilip.
Meron eh, pero ba't nawala na sound? Yung YouTube, inalis eh. He's a pool man all around. He's a decorator.
Interior decorator.
Nawala yung beat. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Make a wish.
Speed, yay!
Just say thank you.
All right. Guys, what it's like about how many pages is this? If I'm going to read this for you, maybe I think we end up until 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock in the morning. So,
Just say thank you.
so what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to make a copy of it and distribute it to you all, so you can just read it, okay? Much better. Okay.